Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at these two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Eletta Explore. Both seem pretty fancy, but I'm trying to figure out which one is better.
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The De'Longhi is definitely pricier, right? About $1,600 compared to the Philips at around $800.
Exactly. So is the De'Longhi worth double the price? The Philips says it makes 12 different coffee drinks, and the LatteGo milk frother is supposed to be super easy to clean.
Well, the De'Longhi boasts over 50 one-touch recipes, including cold brew. Plus, it has both hot and cold milk frothing, which is pretty cool. And it has bean adapt technology, whatever that means.
Cold brew, huh? That is tempting. The Philips only does hot drinks. What about the grinder?
Both have built-in grinders, but the De'Longhi has 13 grind settings, so you can really dial in the flavor. The Philips has 12. Not a huge difference, I guess.
Okay, good to know. And I noticed the Philips has ceramic grinders, which they claim are good for 20,000 cups. That sounds like a lot.
I didn't see any mention of cup lifespan for the De'Longhi's grinder, so that's a plus for the Philips. What about cleaning?
The Philips seems simpler. The LatteGo frother has only 2 parts and is dishwasher safe. The De'Longhi also says it has dishwasher safe parts, but it looks like there are more components involved.
True. Size-wise, the De'Longhi is a bit bigger and heavier. It weighs almost 25 pounds, while the Philips is around 18.5 pounds. This is tough. The De'Longhi has way more drink options in cold brew, but the Philips is cheaper and maybe easier to maintain.
Yeah, and it's renewed, so maybe it has a good price, but who knows how long it will last. I guess it depends on how much I value those extra features and if I really want cold brew.
Exactly. If you're a coffee aficionado who likes to experiment, the De'Longhi might be worth the splurge. But if you want a solid, reliable machine that's easy to use and clean, the Philips could be the better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.